Hi students, today in this video we go for the exercises of poem 7 and the name of the poem is Puppy and I. In the previous video we understood the poem. I hope you understood it very well. You have read it very well, and now we go for the meaning words of this poem. And here are the meaning words. Number 1, he means dry grass. Number 2, to roll. To roll means to go round and round. Number 3, puppy means a baby of a dog. And number 4, hills, a raised area of land. It is a highest part of a land, high part of a land. 5, bread means baked food made of flour. So these 5 words, you have to read these words very carefully, and after that you have to repeat these words in your notebook. And now we go for MCQs. And here are the MCQs of this poem. Number 1, the man was going to. Here we have to complete the line by take the correct answer. The answer is get some bread. Man जो है वो कहाँ जा रहा था? ब्रेड गेट करने मीन्स ब्रेड लेने जा रहा था. नंबर 2, द हॉर्स वॉज गोइंग टू. हियर द आंसर इज गेट सम ही. हॉर्स को क्या चाहिए था? सम ही मीन्स ग्रास. सो ही वेंट टू द विलेज. नंबर 3, द पपी वॉज गोइंग डैश. हियर द आंसर इज अप इन द हिल्स. पपी जो है वो कहाँ जा रहा था? हिल के अप साइड. सो दीज 3 MCQs, and now we go for the next. And here is the next exercise. Write true or false. Number 1, the child went with the horse. It is false because in the poem we saw that the child went with the puppy, not the horse. Number 2, the puppy was going up in the hills to play. It is right. It is true because the puppy was going to hills to play. Number 3, the man and the horse were going to the village. They both were going to the village. It is true because in the poems we saw that the man went for the bread and the horse went for the hay, and they both were going to the village. So this true false, and now we go for the next exercise. And these are fill the blanks. Number 1, in this poem the rhyming word of walking is here the answer is talking. Number 2, the meaning word of hay is dry grass. So these 2 blanks, and now we go for the next exercise. And here is the next exercise that complete the poem. You have to complete the line of that poem is given in the paper that you have to finish that line. Here I take the last stanza of the poem that I met a puppy as I. Here 2 words are missing in the first line, that went walking. These 2 words you can find from the Marigold textbook, page number 64. You have to find these words and you have to write these words by yourself in your notebook. I met a puppy as I went walking. You have to write went walking here. Number 2, line number 2 is we got. Here the missing word is talking. And the third one, dash and I. Here the previous part of this line is missing and it is puppy. And in the last line, where are you going this? Here 2 words are also missing, that find day. You have to find these words from your textbook and you have to write these missing words of the poem by yourself in your notebook. And I hope you understood all the exercises very well. You have to repeat these exercises in your notebook. Thank you.